To my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Patricia Chopre. Welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and share this video if you like it. Today I'm bringing you a makeup haul. I just hauled a couple of products that I would like to show you. It's just a mini haul, nothing much, nothing overwhelming. And so to start, I will start with the Profusion palette. So today, oh Lord Jesus, powder and noise out there, they are cleaning the yard, getting rid of the leaves. So the palette that I want to bring to you guys is the Profusion palette. I've been keeping my eye on this palette and I was able to get in some time ago. I got the Wanderlust palette and also the Confidence palette. It does come in this packaging, which is pretty much cool, able to, allow you to see the shadows from the outside. It does also come with a brush, and it comes with this plastic over here for protection. And I love the packaging. It doesn't feel cheap, like a very cheap packaging, but this brand is a very affordable brand anyhow. But let me go ahead and take a look, take this thing off. And so what I will do, I will like to swatch these shadows for you, and I'm going to roll up my sleeve, take my wash out just for you guys, and let's do some swatching. So I'm going to swatch the first row here, starting from the top. I'm going to swatch Winning, Muscat, Likeable, Super, Coin, Benefit, and Legendary. Oh, this shade remind me of the shade that I used on this look from the Jeans Strauss palette. Now this is the first shade, so I will start from here. So this is how the first row swatched, and I'm going to swatch the second row. So what I will do, I'll swatch the other one on my right arm. This is the final swatch. This the shades that I swatched on here are Sunny, Powerful, Backlash, Valiant, Switch, Fireside, and Bombshell is the last one. So that's a deep burgundy shade. Bombshell is it's Profusion. It's not a high-end brand. I like the pigmentation that I'm getting from the swatches, because sometimes swatches don't really tell it all, but from what I'm saying here, I really like it. So I will be swatching the Wanderlust palette also. Just has a very simple packaging that's really cool. So this one has a lot of cool. This is basically their Cool Tone palette, and that one was kind of like their warm tone shades. The Confidence palette is their warm tone palette. This one is the cool tone palette, and I'll be swatching those for you. Swatching first, I will be doing Illusion. This is Illusion. This is Tranquil. This is the shade Chill. This is Serious. Swatch that bit. It has a different formula here, kind of like a glittery formula. This is Frosting, which look like frosting. Ooh, I don't like it. That's how it, well, it has an iridescent finish. But yeah, that's Frosting, and this one is Gravity. This one is Love Story. And then the next line will be these ones right here. And the first one here is Majesty. Ooh, Your Majesty. Majesty looks good. This is Hypnotic. Hypnotic, hypnotic. This is the shade Jade. Beautiful. This is Stormy, like Stormy Daniels. This is Splash. Ooh. Like the blue sea. That's the shade Splash. And ooh, this one feels very buttery. It's called Regal. Very buttery. Extremely pigmented. And this one is Nimbus. Oh, but I love this purple shade. So this is how the first two rows swatched. Now I'm going to swatch the last one. The first shade from the left, well, from your right, is Coast. So that's Coast. So chocolate brown. It's a kind of like a mocha shade and a dark chocolate here. So that's Coast, that's Statement, that's Nostalgia. And then I'm going for Cruise. And then the shade Enigma probably. And the shade Retro, which is also nice and buttery like the previous purple shade, and Retro is also like a blue base purple. And then the magenta color here is Go Girl. Alright, you go girl. So Go Girl is a little patchy, but you know, it's matte shadow, so it's not too bad. And I think they will blend out very well. It is a burgundy shade as well. So let me show these two. These are, so this is how the palettes swatch. I really love it. That was the swatches of the Profusion Wanderlust and Confidence palette. Let me know your thoughts down below, but I think I like it. I like the pigmentation, and for the price range, it is very affordable. It retails at Target for $9.99, and they do have some other palettes there, but I was June to release two, and so you know, that's what I took. I hope you like the swatches of this palette. You know, I have nothing bad to say about it, considering the price range, and will encourage you that just getting into makeup, if you would like to try some, you know, some fun colors, this would be something that you will like. The next product I'm going to talk about is this Witless Ultra Definition Liquid Makeup from Urban Decay. This is the Naked Skin foundation in 9.75. It is the foundation that I'm wearing today, and I really like the texture of it. I also mixed it with Makeup Revolution foundation, which I recently got from Ulta. I did a look with this foundation, and I will probably have that link below here if I uploaded before. I did not like the finishing of the foundation. It was very oily, and I'm somebody that has normal skin texture. I only have like pores in my T-zone. But my face, when I wore the foundation for over 4 hours, looked like a toast and a cup of Crisco on there, because it was really oily. I kind of blotted it out a little bit, but still it wasn't giving me what I wanted. I did not like this foundation. If I will use it, because I spent money for it, I will be mixing it with other foundations and use it. So that's what I did today. I just put a little bit of it, mix a little bit of it with this naked skin foundation, but I like the texture of this foundation. It feels very weightless, and I really enjoyed blending it. It was very easy, blended out very well. At first I thought it was too orangey, but after I blended out, it kind of settled in with the skin, and so this is what it looks like. And okay, let me tell you about all this glow here. The glow on my face, Blame the Sigma highlight palette, okay? Very gorgeous. I bought this some time ago, but this is a very gorgeous palette. It reminded me about the Huda Beauty Brown Sands palette that I have here. A couple of the shades were similar in my view, but I really like the way it blended out. And I also went ahead and got me this infamous YSL Touché Eclat Blur Primer. And I have been using this and I really like it. I also did get the James Charles palette, which I have a review on. I will either list it down below or somewhere up here if I edit it before this video. If you don't see it, which means I did not edit it before this video. So this is the James Charles Morphe palette. This is the packaging and this is the palette. These are the colors. I went ahead and tipped on the little sheet that they have here with the names on it. That's the same thing I did with the Jacqueline Hill palette. And of course I do always get the Neutrogena makeup remover. It really cleans up the makeup quickly as compared to other makeup removers. I'm not saying it's the best that I've tried. I think the best that I've tried is the MAC makeup remover wipes, and I prefer that. It is $29, but I think I prefer it because if you are using it, you don't use that much of it. This is probably really around $6 to $7, and I probably use like 2 or 3 or even 4 before my entire makeup comes off, but it does, you know, do a good job as well. And sticking with the makeup remover, I also did get the simple micellar water, cleansing water as well for removing my makeup and moving any dirt off my skin after I use the makeup wipes. Then I go in with like a cotton pad and then go all over my face with this. I also did get this Peach Perfect mattifying setting powder from Too Faced Cosmetics. It does have a nice fishy smell, and it also do have I like the packaging compared to the previous packaging for, you know, the Too Faced bought this way. This one is messy. The product is like already out in the top here, but this one you have to actually lift up the top and then scoop out some product in here before. So this is really travel friendly, and I love the packaging as well. Who encouraged me to buy this? Who did I see with? Okay, so this is not a new product, but I've heard Andrea Renee, I believe her name is. She has been reading about this setting powder, and so I decided to get it and try it and see how it works. Finally, with that said, don't forget to thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.